amazing group that organizes the
الأندلسية على التنظيم
Andalusian
الرائع جدا.
Academy. I'm Dr. Mark Walker. I'm from Canada, from the University of Ottawa. Really thrilled to be invited to the second International Saudi Maternal Fetal Medicine Conference.
I'm Fadi Mirza. I'm the medical director at Latifa Hospital in Dubai. I'm truly impressed with the organization by Andalusia.
My name is Dr. Clara Brunhuber. I'm based in London, UK. I work at Elsevier Ltd. The conference has been an absolute pleasure. Also express my immense gratitude to the Andalusia Academy.